Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening OneNote or the Sticky Notes app. Sign in if prompted so notes sync. Next, choose the notebook or section where you want context, because placement affects retrieval. Click New Note or press Ctrl+Shift+N to create a sticky note instantly. Type a concise title or keyword at the top to make searching easier. Once done, adjust the color from the Note menu to visually categorize your note and position it where it's easy to spot in your workspace. Now organize. Apply tags like To Do or Important so you can filter later. Tags are fast metadata that improve recall. Use the link option to attach a sticky note to a OneNote page or an Outlook email for context, because connections reduce duplicate notes. Group related notes by using consistent keywords and the search box, then pin or dock high-priority notes to keep them visible. Make sure to sync after changes so tags and links persist across your devices. Finish by refining each note. Edit content, resize, and move notes to reduce clutter. Concise phrasing keeps them useful. Enable sync and confirm OneNote and Sticky Notes are signed into the same Microsoft account so updates appear across devices. Archive completed notes into a meeting page or delete to avoid noise. If something goes wrong, check the sync status and reconnect your account. That usually fixes missing or unsynced sticky notes and restores your recent edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.